In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel Xero subscription account. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and what to expect after you confirm the cancellation. Before we begin, make sure you're signed into Xero with the subscriber or billing admin access for the organization you want to cancel. It's also a good idea to export any reports or data you might need later, because once the subscription ends, your access may be limited to read-only, depending on your plan and region. Start on your Xero dashboard. Look to the top of the screen and click your name. This opens your account menu, which is where Xero keeps your profile and billing options. From that menu, select Subscription and Billing. This takes you to your billing area where you can review your current plan, any add-ons, and your next billing date. If you manage more than one organization, double check you're on the right one before moving forward. On the subscription page, locate the menu with 3 dots next to your active subscription. This is the More Options menu. Click those 3 dots to reveal additional actions. Choose Cancel Subscription. Xero may present information about timing, features you'll lose, or alternatives like downgrading. Read these notes carefully so there are no surprises, especially around when the cancellation will take effect. Typically, you retain access until the end of your current billing period and charges stop after that date. Next, Xero asks for a main reason for the cancellation. Use the drop-down to select the option that best matches your situation. For example, you might choose too expensive if cost is your primary concern. Selecting a reason helps Xero understand user feedback, but it doesn't change the outcome of the cancellation. When you're ready, click Confirm Cancellation. You may see a final prompt to verify your choice. Confirm again if asked. Xero will process the request and usually sends a confirmation email to the subscriber. Keep that email for your records. After confirmation, review your billing page to verify the status shows as scheduled to end on your current cycle's end date. If you need access to any invoices, bank reconciliations, or reports, download them before that date. If you manage multiple organizations, repeat these steps for each one you want to cancel. If you don't see the cancel option, you likely don't have the required billing permissions, so contact the subscriber to complete the process. That's it. You've learned how to cancel a Xero subscription quickly and confidently, with the key details to avoid surprises. Thanks for watching.